This is our garden. We have it set up to be a permaculture garden. It might not look like much right now, but that means a few things. You should have a steady flow of seedlings just ready to go to be planted out in the garden this year. And the reason for this is because in permaculture, once you have a few things set up, all that you really have to do is come back and just fill in the spots that are missing. Let me show you. So this is our herb bed, and it currently has sage right there, big patch of oregano, that's German thyme, and that's parsley that's just coming back from last year. We haven't even hit our frost date yet. This is basically half of the herb bed that's already been taken up. And now all we have to do is come back and fill it with our seedlings. And a similar idea over here, these are our onions that have lasted 2 years now, but I think they're finally going to have to be replaced with new seedlings. And of course, the other reason why you want to do this is because whenever it comes time to harvest, you're going to need something to put back in the spot, and you're going to want something as soon as possible. So having seedlings ready to go is very important. So this is our current supply of seedlings, and while they have been a little bit neglected because of time, they are in fine shape. When it comes to permaculture gardening and replacing things that you need to fill the gaps in, this is perfect. Anything that doesn't necessarily do well, we can just pull out, and replace it with something else. And that's the whole idea.